How to know if someone scanned my WhatsApp QR code? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to know if someone scanned your WhatsApp QR code. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's get started. First, you will launch WhatsApp application on your device and make sure to log into your account. So simply what you need to do is you need to tap the three dots at top right corner of the screen and then select link devices. And here you will see all the list of devices connected to your WhatsApp. If you have any, you will easily see the name of the device which is connected to your WhatsApp scanning your QR code. So for now, I don't have any of those. So this is the quick and easy way to know if someone scanned your QR code and linked on your WhatsApp. So I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.